let's see how to convert postfix expression into the infix. So first let's see what is meant by postfix and what is infix. When the operator comes in between operand, then this expression is called infix, and when the operator comes after operand, then this type of expression is called postfix. So here we are going to convert postfix expression into infix. So first let's see how it's going to happen using stack. Suppose we have one expression and that is AB plus EF division multiplication. So here in this expression, first there is an operand and then in last we have operator. So this type of expression is called postfix. Now let's see how to solve it using stack. Okay, so here this is a stack. We are going to scan the symbols from left to right. The first symbol comes and that is a A. When we scan the symbol, if the operand comes, then we insert it into the stack, and if operator comes, then we remove all the operands from the stack. So first it comes A, so we push A into the stack. Then it comes B, so we push B into the stack, and then plus comes. So here we are going to push operands into the stack until operator comes. Now we push A and B into the stack, but the third symbol is plus. So in order to insert plus, we are going to remove these operands. So we remove B from the stack and store into the A, and then we remove A from the stack and store it into variable B. So here the rule is B operator A. That means the value of B is A, the operator comes is a plus, and the value of A is B. So the new expression we get, this is an infix expression, and that is A plus B. So here we push A plus B into the stack because it is a expression. Okay, now the next symbol comes, that is a E. So E is an operand, so it goes into the stack. The next symbol comes and that is a F. F is again an operand, so it goes into the stack. Now we start pushing into the stack until the operator comes. Now the next symbol is division. So in order to insert division, we have to pop all the operands. So the first operand top of the stack is F. We are going to store this F into variable A, and then there is a E. So we are going to store this E into the variable B. So as per the rule, B operator A, the value of B is E, operator is division, and A is F. So the new expression is E divided by F. Now our stack is, we already have A plus B, and then we get E divided by F. So these are the operands. One is A plus B and second one is E divided by F. Now the next symbol comes, that is a multiplication. In order to insert multiplication, we have to remove all these operands from the stack. So first we have to store this value into the variable A, that is E divided by F, and this value into the variable B, that is A plus B. Now we get new expression. Follow the rule, that is a B operator A. B is A plus B, operator is multiplication, and A is E divided by F. So this is our final infix expression. So in this way we can convert the postfix expression into infix. But in exam we are not going to solve like this. Let's solve the expression. The expression is AB plus EF division multiplication. Okay, so there are two columns, one is a symbol and second one is a stack. We are going to scan each and every symbol starting from left. So the first symbol is A, it directly goes into the stack. The next is a B, in stack we have AB. The next symbol is plus. Now the top of the stack is B and A. So here the expression is A plus B. We keep it inside bracket. Then we have E. So our one operand is A plus B and the second operand is E. Now it comes F. So we get three operands. One is A plus B, E and F. Then it comes division. So top of the stack is F and E. So as per the rule, the first operand is A plus B and second operand we get E divided by F. Okay. Then it comes the multiplication. Now we have two operands. One is A plus B and second one is E divided by F. So our expression is A plus B multiplied by E divided by F. So this is our final infix expression. In exam we are going to solve like this. Now let's see one more example. The example is given AB minus DE plus F into division. Okay, make two columns. The first one is symbol and the second one is a stack. We are going to scan all the symbols starting from left to right. First symbol is A, it goes into the stack. Then it's B. So in stack we have AB. There are two operands A and B. Then it comes minus. So top of the stack A minus B. Then we have D. So we have first operand as A minus B and second operand as D. Then it comes E. So we have A minus B, D and E. So now we have three operands. Next it comes plus. So we have A minus B and D plus E. The next symbol is F. So F is an operand. So we get third operand. First one is A minus B. Second one is D plus E. And here we have third operand, that is a F. Okay, now we have multiplication. So our first operand as it is A minus B. Then the topmost operand is F and then we have D minus E. So solve the above expression. D plus E multiplication F. Keep it in bracket. Okay. The last one is division. Now we have only two operands left. This is the first operand and this is second operand. So the expression, the final expression is A minus B division D plus E into F. Okay, so this is our final infix expression. Okay, so the expression given as AB minus C plus DEF minus plus division. So here let's make two columns. The first one is symbol and the second one is stack. So we are going to scan each symbol from left to right. So first one is A, it goes into the stack. Then it's a B. So here we have A and B. Then it comes minus. So top of the stack is A and B. So here we are going to write A minus B. Now it comes C. So first operand we have A minus B and the second one is C. Then it comes plus. So there are only two operands left. So write down A minus B plus C. Put the whole expression into bracket. Then the next one is D. So now we have first operand A minus B plus C. The second operand as D. Now next symbol is E. So here we have D and E. The next one is F. So this is as it is, just add F. A minus B plus C D E F. Okay, now we have four operands. This is the first one, second, third and fourth. The next symbol is minus. So this is as it is, A minus B plus C. Now the top of the stack is E and F. So here we have E minus F. Okay, the next symbol is plus. So first operand as it is, A minus B plus C. Then we have D plus E minus F and then keep it inside bracket. The last symbol is division. So now we have only two operands left. This is the first operand and this is a second operand. So the expression is A minus B plus C divided by D plus E minus F. So this is our final answer. Let's solve another example. Okay, this is another example given. ABD plus multiplication E division FGHK division plus multiplication minus. This is a postfix expression. We have to convert it into infix. So again, write down symbol and stack. We have to scan the symbols from left to right. The first one is A. It goes into the stack. Second is B. Again it goes into the stack. Third one is D. So we have three operands A, B and D. Top of the stack is D. Then the next one is plus. So first operand as it is, then we write down B plus D because top of the stack are B and D. Now the next one is multiplication. So we have only two operands, one is A and second one is B plus D. So here write down A multiplied by B plus D. Keep it inside the bracket. The next one is E. So here we have as it is A multiplication B plus D and the next operand, the second operand is E. The next symbol is division. So here we have A into B plus D division E. So again we are going to keep it inside the bracket. Okay, the next one is F. So this is as it is. The next symbol is G. So again write down the same. Just add G here. Then we have H. So here we have same F, G and H. Now we have four operands. This is the first one, second, third and fourth. The next symbol is K. Write down the same, just add K at the top of the stack. F, G, H, K. Okay, the next symbol is division. So here write down the same, A into B plus D divided by E, F, G. And top of the stack are H and K. So here write down H divided by K. The next one is plus. Now we have four operands. This is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. F and here we have G plus H divided by K. Put it inside of the bracket. The next one is multiplication. So we have top of the stack are F and this expression. So here F into G plus H divided by K and again put it in bracket. Okay, the last symbol is minus. Now we have only two operands remaining. This is a 1 and this is 2. So the final expression is A into B plus D division E minus F into G plus H divided by K, and that's it. This is our final infix expression for the above postfix expression. There is one more type of example which is always asked in exam, like the above example. Evaluate the following postfix expression. The expression is given as 562 plus into 12 4 division minus. So this is a postfix expression because the operators at the end, the operators are placed at the end. So how to solve this expression? We have to evaluate this. So write down again same symbol and stack. Now the first symbol is 5, so keep it inside stack. Then 6, here we have 5 and 6. Then the next symbol we have is 2, so here we have 5, 6 and 2. The next one is a plus. Now we have top of the stack 6 and 2, so here write down 5, 6 plus 2, that is a 8. Then we have multiplication, so we have only two operands left, 5 and 8. So 5 multiplied by 8, the answer is 40. Then we have 12, so write down 40 and here 12. We have two operands, 40 and 12. The next symbol is 4, so we have 40, 12 and 4, three operands. The next symbol is division. Now top of the stack are 12 and 4. So 40 as it is. Division, 12 divided by 4, that is a 3. The next symbol is minus, the last one. So there are only two operands remaining, 40 and 3. So 40 minus 3, that is equal to 37. And this is our result for the above postfix expression.